Today I woke up to a beautiful sunny 60-degree day and I felt motivated to address our front patio. I'm just giving you a quick overview of the state of this space. It is filthy. Between our harsh winters here in Minnesota and then our sloppy, muddy springs, this patio just needs a complete refresh. I'm going to start by removing everything from this space and then deep cleaning every area from the walls to the floors, the rugs, the furniture. And then I will decorate, which is my favorite part. This is our dog Lucy. She will be joining me today as I clean the patio. She's not allowed on the furniture inside of our home, but she does like to lay on this patio furniture, and we just don't have the heart to tell her no. So to start, I will just be taking off all of the cushion covers and putting them into the washing machine so I can have these going while I'm working on the rest of this project. And then at the end, they will be done and I will be ready to put everything back together. To make my life easier and not get grass and leaves all over these cushions, I'm just bringing everything inside of my house for now. After moving all of this furniture, there was so much leaves and garbage, so I'm just quickly going to pick out any of the actual garbage and then leaf blow the rest. And this is the current state of my front yard. Sometimes things have to get worse before they get better, I guess. I love leaf blowing. I find it very satisfying and relaxing. It's hard to appreciate how dirty this little glass coffee table was, but I ended up having to wash it 3 times because there were so many layers of dirt on it. And my husband was able to help me with part of this project. We decided to pressure wash the entire patio and then spray the concrete with a degreasing agent and give it a good thorough scrub. About an hour into this project and my yard still looks like this. I was feeling quite overwhelmed at this point. Watching my husband scrub our siding and seeing how dirty they were was so satisfying to watch, especially when he rinsed them clean after. While my husband was busy working on all of the other projects, I decided to just keep moving along, and I decided to clean all of the outdoor furniture, give everything a nice thorough scrub, and then just pick up the front yard a little bit. Even though our grass isn't fully green and our trees haven't bloomed yet, I am still in spring mode. I can't wait to get to my local nursery and buy all new flowers for the season. For right now, though, I will just have to use faux plants and flowers to decorate because we're still in the 30s at night, which is too cold for real plants. Now I'm just going around and touching up some areas of paint just to give this front door a little refresh. After pressure washing everything, I noticed that these pillar bases needed a little refresh, so I'm just going around each one and touching up the paint on these as well. Now I'm just adding in some decorative elements before I start putting this couch back together with all the cushions. When the weather warms up more, I will be getting more real plants and trees and flowers for the front patio, but for now I'm just using the fake plants that I have just to add some color. Now it's time to put all these covers back on the cushions. This is my least favorite part of this whole project. I'll speed this up so you don't have to watch this for too long. Here's a quick overview of how everything turned out. I absolutely love having a nice, clean, inviting space to entertain and relax, and the subtle pop of pink against my yellow house is so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in the next one.